Hi, this is John and Liana from IntoU. Now we've got one question we have been asked and we know we're going to get more of is, do I need to be single to come along to your evening workshops? Now the absolutely emphatic answer is no, okay? So the reason being is that the most important relationship you have in your life is the one you have with yourself, okay? So it doesn't matter whether you're in a relationship or not. The most important thing to work on is yourself.
There are so many relationships you can improve. That could be the relationship to your parents, the relationship at work, the relationships to your neighbors, as well as to your partner, or when you're looking to start a new relationship. Letting go of the last relationship. There are so many angles on relationships where improvement can increase your life quality.
Absolutely. It's not too late it's never too late to learn. I'm in a relationship with my partner Kirsty, and Liana's relationship with Sam. Just actually creating these workshops has taught us a lot about relationships in itself. Relationships are an ongoing learning event. So no, do you need to be single? Absolutely not. Would it be great if you come along with your current partner? Absolutely. You get fantastic value out of that, actually sharing the same experience together. So these workshops are for everybody. We'll see you there.
See you there. Bye.